Alright, of course, I click upload, so I just barely did get 2 seconds ago I was doing this, but alright. Kayak wintergreen. This is probably gonna be shorter than the usual one because I just barely did it. I still had the dip in my mouth. But it's not bad. I'm surprised it doesn't burn where my and I have it right where my fucking gums are, like, bad. And it's not bad flavor. It kinda smells like grizzly. It has a slight grizzly smell. And if you wanna say a slight grizzly taste, but it's not bad. I mean, I do get some floaters like that, but yeah, look at that being dip. Well, stability ain't good because it's already starting to go away. Well, maybe not, but if I was low on money, I'd get it again. I would indeed. If that's the only kayak they had, I usually stick with kayak grape, kayak apple. Coming! Hold on a second. Yeah? I didn't touch it. No. Just my dad accusing me of taking a $50 bill. It seems that if something goes missing, they come straight to me. Well, I only steal their change. I don't steal their bills. But I mean, the flavor's gone away a little bit. I'd give it a fucking. I can go get 7, but 6.5. It's not good, but it's not shit. Actually, no, I'm gonna give it a 5. No, I'll go 6.5. 6.5. Yeah. But damn, this video's gonna be short because I'm already fucking covering what I did in the last one. But the last one actually had spaces in between it. Yeah, I know my cup's getting a little full there. My bottle. Probably gonna do the last dip, and I'm gonna empty it. But I tried to do this one today, Klondike Straight. I did 3 reviews of it. 3. They all had errors, or whatever the fuck you wanna call it. Oh, threw it at the computer. Oh, you ass. But check out my other reviews. I've got Stoker's Mint Up. I've got Copenhagen Long Cut, Skull Spearmint, Copenhagen Snuff. Sounds like sand. Got Kayak Apple. Got Kayak Grape. All that good shit. I have a ton of reviews up. Basically, yeah, as I said, 6.5 out of 10. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. I have a lot of reviews. I think I have about 10 videos. One was a product update. One was a Shine cigar review, which I epically failed at. But this just sounds like sand. But like, comment, subscribe. Keep on doing what you're doing. Have a nice day and keep on doing what you're doing.